So I just teleported from there to here. What's going on? Let's get into it. What I will be doing is paying very close attention to the betas today, and we are going to see exactly how Invictus will perform. Now, I know a lot of you are like, hey, we want it too. I know you want it. Everybody wants it. But the gains here are pretty freaking phenomenal thus far. So we are going to hang out with Invictus. I'm going to keep tabs on what's going on here. And this should be fun. So let me go ahead and narrow up the screen here. And here we go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bye bye, spy. Yes, bye bye, spy. And you know what? What happened there? It took AMC with it. There you go. Right. Listen, guys, if you're not trading, I don't know what you're doing. Unless you have a 10-year horizon, unless you subscribe to the Warren Buffett plan, unless you really just don't care about gaining a measly 3% on your 401k or your pension, then you got to start trading. All right. What's up? So, this is beta, and we are tweaking it, and we will have a public run. All right, we will have a public run once the betas go ahead and sacrifice their hard-earned cash. Let's see. Shirt Mix, he's in the chat here. Hey, thanks, STV. I just saw you. How's your hair? Okay, guys, let's go ahead. In the meantime, let's play the charts. Let's play some alerts. We got 241 people here on the stream, so we can play alerts up until Invictus actually gives us an alert. So let's rock and roll. You guys are essentially the host. I'm just a guy who does what you tell me to do. That's weird. Let's go ahead. What you mean you left the shirt? It's just a fucking polo. Yeah, it's just a polo. Oh, so you got the red and green on the alerts. Dope. Yeah, MC doing weird spikes. All right, guys. BBBY's got your total portfolio up 16%. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, Gabe, are you a knuckle up kind of guy or palm up? I think I'm a knuckle up. Wild day already, my dude. Ups and downs. How's my hair? My hair's okay. I know a lot of you probably assume I'm bald, but no, my hair's okay. I just wear my Yankee hat all the time because after my mother pushed me out, the hat came right after. All right. Can I check Johnson & Johnson gap up potential? Let's go ahead and check out Johnson & Johnson. So we got J&J here. Johnson & Johnson. Here we go. So we have Johnson & Johnson. Mind you, let's get back on over to the 15-minute. Now, the 30-minute is signaling a call, and all indications are pointing to a really nice move. So you have the crossover here, MACD maturing, RSI, creating some separation, right? The only thing is that you want to be mindful that the RSI does not come back down into its moving average. Other indicators are showing some health here. Now we could go ahead and apply the macro perspectives here, larger time frames, right? We could go ahead and apply that to our trading here on the 5-minute. And as you can see, we already got a wick that's flirting with that 200 EMA on the 15. So what that would tell us is rejection. Unfortunately, I came in a little late here. However, if you took this call, I would advise you secure the bag. Okay. So Randy says 40% PM calls Thanks, Trader Joe. That is dope. Let's see. Laughing my ass off. Did you understand that knuckle up question? No, not actually. No. I maybe not. uh, let's see. Bulk cut shred because I'm tired. Please look into BBBY. All right, let's go ahead. Everyone's like, BBBY, it's running, right? So, this is what I like to say. I tell you guys this, right? When the market gives you more than you deserve, do not overstay your welcome. Do not become a gluttonous pig. In Central Florida, we would say the market is not Golden Corral. That's basically a buffet. You don't want to do that. Remember, you're probably profitable up until you're greedy. And greed is what is the demise. Greed will be the demise of every single trader out there because you're probably profitable far longer than you are greedy. The minute you get greedy, you get slaughtered, baby. All right. Uh, let's see. Legendary made 24%. It got out. Took my 48% off of BBBY. Wow. Okay. Wait. We're talking about finger blasting? Wait. Are we talking about like doing that to him? Like, are we doing that? Anyways, let's stay the course. Let's keep it moving. This is a public stream. I'm not trying to get canceled. Anyways, Gabe, the knuckle up question was asking you how you jerk it, palm up or knuckles up. Oh. No. I have to work on my ambidextrous skill set. So it's more like climbing rope. Got him. Anyways, 12% on SPY. Thank you, 1348. That is dope. Let's go ahead and keep it moving. Is Pathak still slated for tomorrow, Zavi? Yes, he absolutely is. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Let's see. Move on to the next play here. Walmart calls printed expeditiously. Let's go ahead and look at Walmart here. WMT, actually, one of the tickers that we've added to the beta here. Now, we're on the 5-minute, and we don't have anything actionable on the 5-minute, but we do on the 1-minute. Maybe not. All right, so Walmart's one of those things where I'm assuming you took the call from yesterday on the 5-minute, just ran with it. Actually, this is a good thing. Congratulations on your win. All right. Dave Ape says, changing things up prevents Alzheimer's. Andy says he's restarting Invictus for a quick fix. All right, good stuff. How do we know Pythagoras is a he? Well, that's the thing, right? So Pythagoras is God. So Pythagoras is an it. So Pythagoras is a Jenner. Dum. Okay, guys, come on, let's go. Tesla Invictus put. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Tesla was alerted and Invictus put. Let's go ahead. Wow. That is filthy. Okay, let me see if we were in fact alerted here. I'm going to look for a Tesla put here and let you guys see where in fact it plotted. Okay. No Tesla put picked up by Pythagoras, unfortunately, but on the 5-minute here, you were signaled a put and you had the 200 EMA right here, so we're playing levels. Now, you had the RSI lead the way along with the MACD and shaft trend, right? So you were able to play this play with confidence. You could then go ahead and check out your macro levels here, right? Trending down. But on the 15, we're oversold, and look what we have here on the 15. That is the 200 level, which would tell us a possible reversal, right? Now, the 13 hasn't quite developed, but both are severely extended to the downside. So, as we're looking at the 5 minute, we could see why this level here, and I'm going to draw you my blue pill line here. This is the level that should have been respected, and you've made a lot of money. Okay, so here we go. If it alerted at 10:02 to be exact, then you got in on this candle. So let me go ahead and illustrate. Let me go ahead and illustrate how powerful this is, okay? Let's go ahead and draw our trend line per the alert from Invictus right here on this candle. Now we're going to follow along onto the 15. We have a put here. What does the 15 tell us, right? The 15 is already signaling once the RSI breaks below its moving average. You already see the development of the breakdown here on the 15. And the 30, you see that breakdown already happening pre-market, and we were already in a downswing with the shaft trend already bearish. So what that means is all of the signals align itself with the thesis here to the put side. And this is why we use the 15 and 30 to go ahead and confirm the thesis from Invictus. Now, I hope this makes sense because it's a very, very simple strategy here. All right. Um, let's see. Tesla was Invictus and it didn't look good. The 15 and the 30, although it had calls, right? Because you were in that call trend. You're absolutely right. You were in that call trend. But this is where, again, 1348 rules, absolutely important. If you see RSI, no matter the time frame, break below the moving average, the MACD trend down with the shaft trend trending down, you know the move is to the downside, which was confirmed on the 15, right? If you are not aware of this and our system by this point or at this point, I would encourage you all to go back to the curriculum because we explain this all very, very well. Okay. Uh, all right. Red Ape says, why not the 45 or the hour? The reason why we're not doing the 45 or the hour is because Invictus will be alerting up to 6 bars away, or you want to take the trade or begin to look at possibly taking the trade when the alert says 6 bars out or better, which puts us well into 30-minute time frame, which also means that if there's a move developing, you could see the beginning of that move happen on the 15, right? And or the 30-minute, which we saw with the RSI and the MACD on the multiple time frames when we were looking at Tesla. All right. This is all about 1348, guys. Is back to the basics. Understand that Invictus is a leading indicator. It's helping you predict the future. But you still have to do your homework and say, what is Invictus telling me? The 15 and the 30 will tell you that Invictus tells no lies, and or will tell you, hey, Invictus, got to be a little more patient, wait for the play to mature, right? So you don't want to just jump into an Invictus play. You want to go ahead and be able to confirm it with everything we talk about in 1348. If you respect the system and you respect our rules, you will make more money than you ever imagined. Okay. What update can we expect for Invictus this afternoon? So, Zavi, that update, we are looking at having additional logic added to Invictus, which goes ahead and incorporates the 15 and 30, right? So it becomes aware of what's happening on the 15 and 30, giving you a stronger alert, a higher quality alert. Now, that does not mean you're negligent in doing your homework and playing the 5 and a 15 or playing the 15 and a 30. You still have to go ahead and check those time frames. Okay. Gabe, how long is Invictus down for? You know what? You're asking the wrong freaking person. Okay. Invictus is like a 16-year-old boy. He just wants to smash everything. That's hilarious. Now, You're asking the wrong person because I don't have any updates here. Uh, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and look at what's going on here. So we really don't have anything coming in yet, okay? That's what I'm seeing here on the updates. STV was saying yesterday he watched RSI and MACD on the 15 and the 30 and wasn't going by the candles on those time frames. Mike D, we're not saying to go by the candles. We're saying incorporate every indicator into your thesis. Again, we have a curriculum built out for you. Once you buy in entirely into the system, you will know how to read the 15 and the 30, and you will be able to infer on whether Invictus is right or wrong, or Invictus needs more time. Okay. RSI, MACD, trend, all of those things on every single time frame. You want to go ahead and draw up your thesis. Okay. Let's see. So Vac says, what is Invictus? Now, Invictus is a predictive tool, right? If you don't know what Invictus is, then you could go ahead, check out the link down in the description, also pinned to the top of the comments, right? Invictus is a new way of trading, right? Absolutely proprietary. Now, I know the shills and the haters are going to say, well, yeah, you know, the EMA crossover strategy is free. Well, Invictus is proprietary, and Invictus is just one of many incarnations and us developing probably, or most ideally, or at least my ambitions are, the most profitable trading strategy on earth, period. Okay. Um, let's see. Do you see SDC continuing downward trend? I'm up 150% on the put. SDC, all right. Smile Direct. Let's go ahead and check this out. So on the 30-minute, as you guys could see, the 30-minute is saying a whole lot to us, right? We do have a level here, which is at or about, what's that, 182. The thing is, dude, if you're up a lot on Smells Direct, congratulations, but I don't do shit stocks, and this is a shit stock, all right? You do have a put on the 15, congratulations, confirming a trend to the downside, right? This was a major move, but is in fact a shit stock. The fact that you're holding to 150% tells me it's dangerous. It is an absolute shit stock, absolutely dangerous. It can pop up at any time. Should retail go ahead and say, oh, yeah, it's cheap. This is a great stock. You don't want that, right? So go ahead, secure the bag, keep it moving, not financial advice. Okay. Uh, let's see. Caught slipping. Oh man, yeah. It's yeah. If you're in the Discord, you saw that. Yeah. So Scar, exactly. If you're up 150%, you sell, right? Jeremy, how's it going? Mark, how's it going? Spy is gaining momentum. Let's go ahead and take a look at Spy here, right? So let's bring her up here. And Spy making that move to the upside. Now, Spy actually highlights some of you know, uh just the curriculum on 1348, right? RSI breaks above the moving average. You see the MACD losing momentum here, right? You're losing momentum, and then the MACD crossed to the upside, right? So now we are expecting that the SPY would go ahead and break through the 48. That is the expectation. The shaft trend is signaling a sell, so we have conflict here on the 5-minute time frame. If we go to the 15-minute, the 15-minute really calms things down. It literally tells you the market is sideways, right? So the 5-minute chart is really causing emotional damage for no damn reason. The reason why we know it's sideways is that usually when the MACD is above the histogram, at least at a very high level, meaning where you see my cursor, right? Where it's above the bars, when you see it elevated and you see RSI above 50, right? Even though it's looking like it's in a downtrend, that's usually a signal that buyers and sellers are struggling. So therefore, you would expect a sideways move. Uh, uh, Tom, okay, you're a premium member. That's great. But who are you reaching out to, right? Who are you reaching out to? And more importantly, are you playing O days? And I think you might want to go ahead and revert back to paper trading and or just give yourself more time. Individuals that give themselves more time, meaning buy contracts up to 10 days out, what you're doing is you're allowing yourself to absorb some of the move and the volatility. Now, again, it's practice, but you should be able to win at bare minimum 60 to 70% of your trades. Most importantly, by virtue of giving yourself more time on the options contracts, you will hit your stop loss a lot less. Okay. Let's see. All right. So we got an Invictus Disney call alert. So let's go ahead and check out Disney here. So Invictus, we've got a call alert coming up right now. How does this look? This looks really wonky, right? Up and down. So we have a possible cross. And this is actually believable since we did bounce off of the 200 EMA. So what we're going to do here is go on over to the 15 to confirm this. And one clue that I have is that the RSI is breaking above its moving average. So that would confirm that move to the upside. Also, the histogram is very, very thin and expected to make that move up. Now, the 30-minute hasn't quite matured, but RSI again elevated along with its moving average with the MACD above the histogram. So we can go on over to the 5-minute and see how this will develop. Most importantly, if you're playing this on a 5-minute and anticipating a move to the upside, you would want to go ahead and respect levels. Now, we have several levels here. This was a key level here, as we could see. Also, I want to pay attention to the overall trend. You have a call on the 15. Let's look at the 30. We have a call on the 30. So all indications are bullish, right? Which means that if you took that alert with Disney, and let me go ahead and get a timestamp here, as that's 10:52. So that would put us in this candle right here. So let's go ahead and just mark it, and we will go ahead and see if Invictus was right. Now I'm using a trend line to mark this candle on at 10:50, 10:52. Okay. Um, if you want me to talk about AMC, you need to be prepared to handle what I'm about to say about AMC. Right. So anybody who wants me to talk about AMC, you need to be able to handle what I will say. Okay. Let's see. Apple. Let's check it out. Let's see what Apple is doing. Um, let's see. Apple making that move to the upside. Do we have an alert from Invictus with Apple? We have also an alert at 10:52 here. So what we're seeing is quite possible that the market is reversing. Now, what does the anatomy of this potential crossover look like? Well, we could see here, based on this alert on this candle, RSI has already developed and made its move to the upside on the 5-minute. MACD made the cross to the upside. Shaft trend showing green. So now we go ahead and we go to the 15-minute and ask ourselves, can we confirm this? Well, we can. We're already printing light pink here on a histogram. RSI has made its move, a very dramatic move on the 15 above its moving average. And what we're waiting for is for that to eventually break 50. Now we go to the 30-minute here, and the 30-minute is showing us a lot of the same. Now, looking at the 30-minute on the overall trend, we do have a call. So we are within the upward trend here. Now, if we go to the 15, we could also see more of the same. So therefore, the 5-minute does look like it's valid, right? Now, it could mean, we make that move up to the 200 and get rejected. And you would have to expect that, right? Because ideally, we say when price is below the 200 EMA, you are biased to calls. below your bias to puts. So if we get above that 200 EMA, I feel like that is go time. Okay. Um, let's see, Jimbo. All right. So Jim, uh, Jim is just spamming the comment section. Jim, yeah, I did sell my AMC and I'm actually trading it and I'm making a lot of money. Sue me. All right, let's keep it moving. Next ticker. The Rivian alert seems to look good. Would you agree that the 15 MACD looks close to flipping? All right, let's go ahead and check out Rivian here, right? So Rivian, right? Rivian is looking good. I would be careful at this very moment in time because RSI is pitching downward towards its moving average here on the 5 minute. All right. So I'm looking at the immediate future. I'm not liking this candle here. It could very well be a rejection from the 48. Now, if we go to the 15, you could have that cross, right? Where you got thinning here on the histogram. However, the MACD and the signal line are well below neutral. We're talking about negative 15 points below neutral. You would like to see that curl up a little more and begin approaching neutral and eventually breaking. As it stands right here on the 15 and the 30, we don't really have much insight here. All right, we need the play to develop a little more before I am confident of the Rivian play. Okay, so that's it. Let's see. Uh, let's see. We have, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Yeah, curious about the put signal on Apple. We covered that. I haven't taken a position, but trying to gauge if it's worth watching. Thank you. Yeah, it might be worth watching. So Mullen is a garbage stock. We do not cover stocks less than $10. Let's go ahead and take another look at Disney as we are getting alerts that Disney is in fact making its move. We have that candle, we have that convergence. Things could get spicy here, could get interesting. Now we have to go ahead and take a look at what the 15 is telling us. We do have that move. We want to see again the MACD begin to cross up, right? And then we're looking at the 30 here on Disney, and all things are looking pretty healthy. So this is, don't have to take the play at the point of alert, right? But you can go ahead and begin watching the play and see how it begins to work in your favor, right? So this is just a wait and be patient type of play. Ballpark account value, people are coming in with 1,000, 5,000, 25,000. It's really all about what you are financially capable of, all right? For the doubters, 1348 is totally worth it. It's not even a question if you're actually looking to get serious with trading. Dope. Emotional damage on AMC. Let's go ahead and take a look. What happened with AMC? Yeah, apparently, I guess I influenced the stock when I admitted I sold, right? No, this is just proof positive that AMC is a tradable stock. Now, at 10:59, we got the alert that at or about right here that AMC should be crossing down. But we do have previous alerts in play. So I'm going to share with you what time AMC, probably not that long ago. Let's go ahead and look at previous alerts where we were alerted that AMC was trending down. Of course, you guys were welcome to help me here. So that AMC drop, Invictus alerted, that is just filthy, right? Oh, I got to say how I say it. Emotional damage. There you go. You guys are happy? That's all you got. That's all I got for you today, guys. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm tired. I've been up really, really early just making sure everything is running smoothly with Invictus. So we have AMC making that move to the downside. Listen, guys, it is what it is. It's a tradable stock. All right. Stop trying to tell me otherwise. You know what's really, really interesting? You got noobs in the community trying to tell pro traders that they don't know what the fuck they're doing by virtue of not listening to them. Yeah, that's like me telling I'm going in for brain surgery and I'm telling the brain surgeon, hey, make sure you do it like this, or you're a fucking shill. Huh? No, let the brain surgeons be the brain surgeons, right? I stay the fucking degenerate I am. Um, let's see. Just printed 12% in AMD puts. All right, 1049 is when we alerted, so that puts us here on this candle. Now, what AMC does for us, right, by virtue of alerting here on Invictus, this is really cool because you were alerted here, but you were really not denying it. The RSI was already preparing it for you here, along with the MACD and the shaft trend. But let's see if the 15-minute agreed. And the 15-minute also agreed, as you got that crossover below its moving average with the RSI, which happened at 10:30. So yeah, I'm believing it now. Then you see that thinning out here on the histogram. Let's look at the 30-minute here. 30-minute, more of the same. The shaft trend alerted a move to the downside. Uh, so everything lined up for AMC to just tank. Wow. Muted every. All right, Javi, I'm sorry you muted everything again. This is the reason why uh, we wanted Andy to do this update. But yeah, AMC. AMC's digging for gold right now. And you know what? If you're playing AMC, you're printing gold right now. So guys, make sure you check out the link down in the description. Make sure you check out the link pinned in the top of the comments. Look at if you're serious about printing, if you're serious about making money, right? It's really, really wild how, especially with AMC or meme stocks, right? People treat it as it's a casino, a game, a lotto. But if you treat it like a professional, you really would not be passing up the opportunities and the gifts that AMC, BBBY, GME, and all of those other meme stocks provide. And it gives you the gift of financial freedom and providing for your family, which is the only thing you should be accountable to. You don't have to be accountable to me. 20% on AMC. Damn. 14%. All right, you guys are just showing off right now. Oh man. Question, Gabe. On the 30-minute, AMC is bouncing off the 200 EMA. Does that affect the move? Well, if we go to the 30-minute and we see that AMC is bouncing off the 200, you bet your ass that's affecting the move, which means that, you go ahead, you take your gains, it's take your gains and keep it moving. Why not? In fact, we could also go ahead and align that level with this level. I'm going to go ahead and just blue pill line that right there. We have a previous level here on a 5-minute. And you know what we say, guys, right? You know what we say. We say if she gives you more than you deserve, you take it. And of course, you got more than you deserved. Previously to 1348, you would begin playing on this cross. Here, with the prediction, you're able to front run that entire move to the downside. All right. Invictus win. Mike D, is this a public stream? Hell yeah. Because I'm trying to cause emotional damage for all those out there who just don't understand how powerful this is. You're sitting there like, how'd he know? How'd he do? Oh my God, I want to print just like them. Link down in the description. All right. Uh, 8.5% on AMC in and out. Dope. Sun Su Lao. He says, there's no doubt in the market, is there? Not just a little swing trading. Don't want to FAFO before I get adequately educated. Dope. All right. And yeah, we got the put alert on AMC here. But let's go ahead and see what other alerts we were dealt with. Let's see how Disney's doing. All right. Now, Disney doesn't necessarily have to mature into a cross, right? Here, we're running flat. If we look at the 15, you know, yeah, it's one of those days, the 15 will go ahead and just definitely guide you through. But what this also means, guys, is if you don't like the setup, you simply buy yourself more time, or you have time. That's why we buy 10 days to expiration, right? So you're alerted on this candle here. Okay, if you give yourself time, you make that move. Otherwise, 10% stop loss, you cut your losses, you keep it moving, right? With the 10% stop loss, you're only required to make 11.1% on your next play to break even. That's it. Let's go ahead and look at Apple. And Apple's looking pretty decent here, right? We have that alert at 10:50. Do we have previous alerts to Apple? I'm really curious if this was something we alerted previous. You got 10:52. Let me go ahead and do a search here. Uh, 10:52. We have as early as 10:52. That's our earliest candle. How much is it to join, Gabe? Driving at the moment. All this can be had for an incredible price of just $4.16 a day. Um, can you apply 1348 if you're from the UK without options? Absolutely, Lisa. Pythagoras comes out tomorrow. Pythagoras trades nothing but stocks. Pythagoras is exciting. Do you play covered calls or cash secured puts? No, I don't. Um, let's go ahead and look at what Apple's doing. So Apple gets you in here, and then she goes on a moon mission. Look at that moon mission. So if you went ahead and took a 10% loss elsewhere and you were in this Apple play, you just, yeah, all kinds of money right now. Um, Invictus isn't doing that well for me either. Okay, G4X Capital, you need to go ahead and just go through the curriculum videos that we've added because Invictus is showing proof of concept right now. Now, this could also mean that what we're hosting here in the beta is exactly what the doctor ordered. And Andy, I told you. I told you. um, all right, guys, let's keep it moving. More tickers. More tickers here. You didn't take the Apple play because the 15 and the 30 didn't agree. What are you saying here? Right? At the point that you were alerted, this is the marker on this candle. RSI was converging up and you were getting a light pink on the histogram, meaning you were losing momentum here on the histogram with the MECD trending up. If you then go ahead and look at the 30-minute, the 30-minute was vicious as it was trending up once again, right? You also had your levels here with the 48, and you would have expected a bounce in the 48. And therefore, also, when you say it doesn't agree, you got to remember the 30-minute was in a call. The 30-minute continues to be in a call. Do you see that there? Right there? 30-minute continues to be in a call. Let's look at the 15-minute. It continued to be in a call, with exception to market open here with this put. But with the general trend being to the upside on the 30-minute, you could guesstimate that this would be a move to the upside. Okay. So there you go. That's Apple. what kind of downside do you want to prepare all these people for on BBY in the upcoming weeks? I mean, let's see. Disney loss? Okay. So what did you have? All right, let me get to the right camera. My bad. So did you have 10 days out on the expiration? And if you lost it, cool. 10% stop loss. Move on to the next play. That's it. You don't warn a loss. You know, this is not family and friends. This is the stock market. It's part of the game. Goal is keep your losses minimal and stay very strict to the rules of 10%. Now, if you bought 10 days out expiration, it should have absorbed that move just a bit. So I'm assuming that you did not buy 10 days out. Okay. Well, if you don't want to go ahead and get murdered by theta, you simply have to go ahead and look at the gamma on theta. And by the way, for those who do not know, right, the value, time value on theta is always the highest and at the money, right? So when you're at the money and you play 10 days out, your time value is the highest, okay? So when we're looking at Disney, also, we'll go ahead and look at Apple because Apple is just running. Um, all right, so Vapor Up. He's asking a really, really good question here, right? All right, ICP. You bought 10 days out and lost. Okay, that's Disney. So you still got stopped out. Um, let's see, Apple 21%. So sorry, Disney didn't work. But if you played Apple, if you got a 10% loss, you recovered it with a 21% gain of Apple. Your portfolio is up still. You see what I mean? Okay. Um, let's see. Going back to this question here. So on the 15 and 30 time frames, you look at the last 1348 cross for the call or put trend. But let's say if it doesn't match the current indicators relative to the price action, which trend do you go with? I go with the 30 minute. The 30 minute would be the larger macro trend, right? So that's the trend I would go with. And then Disney. See, Disney's one of those things that let's go look at Disney. Disney's one of those things that where time is super important. And I'm really, really thinking that if you lost on this Disney play, it's because you played out of the money. That's you played out of the money because the move wasn't really that significant. You go from 124.69 to the low on this candle of 124.30, right? So you were playing out of the money. You have to play at the money and 10 days out. I really don't see how someone gets stopped out at 10% on this move, especially with 10 days expiration. Okay. Let's see. Disney RSI wasn't above moving average on the 15 or 30. It wasn't, right? So it was a game of being patient. But if we're looking what's happening now in the game of patience, 1530, right? You are still elevated here on the 15 and 30. So those are things to take into perspective here. But what's happening now is you do have that possible crossover. So you didn't give yourself more time, or you played out of the money like a degenerate, right? This play will play out for Disney. Uh, Richard, what? Grow some balls? Who we proving? Richard, honestly. How about growing your P&L? I take P&L before big balls. It's just, come on. Yeah, Richard, seriously. Yeah, man. Richard, you're funny. I hope that was a joke. So Nick says I'm still in Disney with 10% stop loss. So that's telling me we have people in the chat who are saying that they got stopped out, and they're not even in the Discord. That's what's happening. Ah, you trolls. You trolls. CSMR videos. My name. You should know me by now. All right, let's go ahead and check out RIVN. And here we go. By the way, that Disney play, looking healthy. So is this RIVN now. Let's go ahead and look at a possible alert with RIVN. Let's see what we have here. Do we have a Rivian alert? JP, I dumped AMC. That's not FUD. I trade AMC. That's real. I want to make money. And who cares? What I do has nothing to do with what you do. You see what I'm saying? All right. All right, let's go ahead and look at what Ford did. Let's go ahead and check up Ford at 11:15. Right? Ford is one of the newer tickers that we've added. Andy. See, you were talking crap about Ford, Andy. Stick to IT. Let me stick to stocks, Andy. Love you, bro. All right, 11:15. So that puts you in on this candle here, right? And that's it. You're in on this candle. And you do have a level here, which is at 1641. But you have that potential cross. Now, what we're looking at on the 15-minute, or excuse me, the 5-minute is that the RSI matured, broke through its moving average, currently at 58. Look at that move. We have the MACD crossover to the upside. Shaft trend signaling green. Let's go to the 15. The 15, well, we're well aware that we're still in a call trend here. RSI elevated, MACD getting weak. The bears are getting pushed out of here, right? They're getting pinned. Now we go ahead and we look at the 30-minute, and you can see very much the same thing with the 30-minute. RSI breaks through. Now, this isn't really convincing here with the shaft trend and the MACD. Why? Because this MACD is elevated, very elevated over its histogram. And the histogram is not a mature histogram. This is a mature histogram. This is a very what's the best way to explain it? A very Lindsay Lohan histogram, right? So we go to the 5-minute and see how this plays out. Now, I'm not seeing any alert on Ford because you're not. Basically, the beta is getting the new round of tickers because apparently Andy wants me to prove my work every single time. Bro, we got to give it to them, man. Love you. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at Disney. Let's see how it's doing. DKNG. I'm in a Discord. Did buy 10 days out, but got the 125 call around 124.60. All right, and that was on Disney. And you got it 10 days out? Let me see. Let's go ahead and check out Disney here. So you got stopped out? Well, that's a damn shame. So let's see. You got the 125 call here on Disney. Got it. All right, STV, are you here? I think this goes ahead and confirms some other theory that we had in our strategy, which is we played the strike of the value of the 13, especially on a move to the upside. But Disney did pan out. Disney did work. You got the call signal. It did come into the cross. It really sucks that you got stopped out beforehand. Maybe this means that we have to make the adjustment from the 15 to, from the 10% to the 15, right? Or it's just choppy waters. Gotcha, right? Hey, it happens. Ultimately, what you could have done was found more confidence into play as you saw RSI break above and then re-entered and then absorb that move to the upside, right? Again, it's all about keeping your losses small and your gains large. Let's go ahead and look at Apple. So Apple happened. Oh, look at that, right? So again, if you took your loss, a quick 10% loss here on Disney, Invictus paid you here, and he paid you well. Um, yeah, that's got to be at least a 20% move, 25% move. Apple at resistance, you're absolutely right. You see it there, Apple at resistance right here. So now you're getting the rejection, which means you go ahead. If you came in on this alert, secure that profit. Um, let's see. What else do we have? We have GME, a move up in 8.1 bars, and that was at 11.21. So that brings us on this candle. You guys want to take a look at GME on the move up? Let's see. Well, GME has just literally been moving sideways, but we're going to go ahead and mark this candle here. That's your prediction. So GME also had 4 alerts in play. Right. Let's go ahead. Look at this here. GME, when did GME previously alert? Can someone help me out here? GME also alerted at, let's see. GME's earliest alert was that I can see was 10:52. That would get us here at or about this candle. So Invictus alerted here, as you guys can see, that GME was going to cross. And so you could have taken that move to the upside with GME. Now let's go ahead and look at the anatomy of the play, right? So you were patient on this candle, and then RSI finally broke, right? And if you go ahead and you look at the 30-minute trend here, right, you were getting some whipsawing. You were getting some whipsawing. So this is hit or miss. However, if you go to the 5-minute, you could definitely see how the 5-minute confirms this alert here. As soon as you break above the moving average, you begin to print healthy green bars here in the histogram, and the shaft trend just makes that move. So there you go. Good job, GME. Good job, Invictus. Woo! All right. Let's see. So the GMA cross up happened pre-market at 8 o'clock as well. That was actually an earlier cross up, but we're playing crosses that happen right before our eyes. Let's go ahead and look at a firm, and then what is BBBY doing? Oh my god, BBBY, right? Wow, and Invictus alerted BBBY. And it's just running right now. It is mooning. There you go. Where can you buy this bot? Well, you can't buy this bot. You join our Discord and we lead the way with you. All right. Link down in the description. Also, link pinned to the top of the comments. Uh, yeah. I think BBBY in and unto itself with the Invictus alert would have paid tuition to this Discord for the next 10 years, it seems. It's pretty wild, right? Yeah. That is wild. Uh, Gabe busted out laughing. That shit made me laugh. I mean, look at this. This is mean. This is mean. So I like it. I like it. Which means, like, again, it just proof of concept, right? Every stock is a tradable stock. BBBY is running. Shorts then pile in. It gets pulled back down. Everyone then goes ahead and rams it. It goes right back up. And, you guys are just really playing for big moves or home runs. We play for base hits, and we keep making those base hits and compounding our portfolio. Think about this, right? So let's say you had $1,000 and you were playing 1348 strategy and you were compounding 1% over and over and over for about a year, right? By the time a major play like this with BBBY happens, you have a larger portfolio to go ahead and maximize your gains on something like this, right? So, it's all about, just like we talk about ROCE with AMC, right? So, basically, capital employment, right? Are you employing your cash the right way in the stock market? And Invictus is saying, no, you should be trading. All right. DKNG crossing on the 5 minute. Let's go ahead and check out DKNG, DraftKings. Let's have fun here. Look at that, DraftKings. Do we got alerted of DraftKings? Did we get alerted on DraftKings here? Let's see. We called that DKNG. Algo, can you give me a timestamp on that DKNG? Guys, we're showing you proof of concept. This is no bullshit. We are the real deal, right? Anyone who wants to argue otherwise, you're just plain dyslexic and you're missing a chromosome. Sorry to insult you that way, but it's just facts. We're here to make money. I'm not here to make friends. You could hate me. You could hate me all you want. I'm not here to be your friend. You know what I'm here to do? Make some fucking stripper money. Actually, wait, where is my stripper money? I got some stripper money somewhere. Maybe for the next stream. All right, let's go ahead and look at when DKNG alerted, and it alerted at uh 11:18, which puts us right here on this candle. Guys, are you not seeing results enough at this point? Link down in the description. Motherfuckers should be printing. Woo, 46% on AMC calls. BBBY halt. That sucks, right? Remember we talked about greed, right? You'll be profitable long before you're greedy, but when you're greedy, you will be a losing trader. Facts. Okay, so here we go. DKNG. Just we're proving. Oh, there you go. There goes that call. There goes that call. There goes that call. Emily Rose of California. You see that? There goes that call. Jimmy. Woo. Justin. 437% in Best Buy Beyond. Oh, Best Buy, Bed Bath Beyond, Best Buy Beyond. Oh shit, I gotta go to Best Buy. I'm having Best Buy withdrawals. All right, BBBY halted. Let's go ahead and take a look. I would expect it to be, right? You know what this is? You know what this is? Right? You know what a halt is? Let's just break down a halt for you, okay? Before we just we take a look at Microsoft. So a halt is essentially you have a party, you post it on Facebook, it gets out of control. Everyone's posting videos. It's lit, right? And then the police come, and what happens? Everybody starts leaving. That's what halts do. Okay, let's see. Let's look at Microsoft. Let's go ahead and check out Microsoft. What is Microsoft doing? Okay, Algo, do we have an alert on Microsoft? Okay, let's look at this. I'm assuming we have some an alert probably somewhere right here. Just guessing. Algo, help me out. All right. Um, it's looking like we alerted GME. We've alerted the crap ton here. I'm actually looking. This is pretty fucking wild what I'm seeing right now. Wow. Okay, let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft was in fact alerted. Let's go to the 5 minute. Microsoft was alerted at 11:30, but we have five bars in play. Or excuse me, yeah, 5 previous alerts in play. So let's go ahead and take a look. 1118. So that brings us here on this candle. All right. I dig that. That's right there on the 200 EMA. That's right there. Good stuff. All right. So we go ahead and we start looking at the 15. Now, at the 15, you see that the RSI crossed above its moving average, and you could see that the MACD is now crossing above. And, well, you got the end of the cycle here, this bearish cycle on the 15. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30. And the 30 isn't quite there yet. It has not quite matured to my liking. So, therefore, Microsoft, although I am really positive about this play. I'm going to wait to see it develop a few more bars. What I want to see is another bar progress above the 200 EMA. Now, the indicators here, well, pretty fucking filthy. RSI did break, MACD trending up. And so you could literally play Microsoft right here on the 5. As far as developing into a call, I probably want to see a few more candles. Okay. Jimmy Halt. Tesla we called at 11:20. Okay. Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. 11:20. Let's get in here. Right on this candle. And guys, this is getting serious here. The amount of money that should be made in these plays, fucking filthy. Excuse my language. Filthy. All right. Let's see, VZ rimming up or breaking down. We'll take a look at that. So here you go, Tesla. All things looking good on Tesla. All right. Let's go ahead and check what she's doing on the 15. I like that move into its moving average on the 15. And you see the cross up here with the histogram, right? So the bears are losing control here, right? And we go to the 30, we could see a little more of that. We want to see the bears truly lose control. But, I'm still bullish here because we are still in a call trend here on the 30. We look at the 15, and with exception to that dip at market open, we are in a call trend. So let's go ahead and pay attention to the 5 minute and see how Tesla does. Okay. Invictus is on fire. Yeah, people loving it. People are loving it. Oh my God. Woo. Jimmy still halted. BBBY wondering which way it wants to go after. Okay, let's go ahead and look at BBBY here. Guys, link down in the description. Invictus has just been killing it. And you know what? I think there would be less enthusiasm for meme stocks if people were actually making money in the markets. How's that for an observation? Okay, let's keep going. Nas says, I was having issue this morning, but doing very well now. Good. This is one of the reasons why we say, hey, you know what? Avoid anything before 10 a.m. because you want the market to be able to pick a direction, okay? Yesterday, I was struggling with Invictus. Today, I'm printing, paper printing at least, but it's awesome. Square, Invictus call alert. Let's go ahead and check out Square. Jump. Square, what are you doing? All right. So snap cross up at 3.93 bars. All right, I gotta go with snap. I gotta go with snap. I gotta go with algo because algo's using the latest logic and I'm in love. Hey algo, what I tell you? Oh man. You guys listen, man. I'm the most underrated guy in the fucking game right now. But I tell you what, I'm probably the most profitable guy in the game right now. And honestly, Invictus, Legendary, Algo, Gnosis, Invictus, Pythagoras, Cryptagoras, which is also coming linked down in the description. Join the Discord. But these are all incarnations of this. And then obviously extra layers, but a lot of money being made. Um, yep. This is why we were up so late last night. Exactly. We're up late as hell, but it's so worth it seeing you sons of bitches printing. And Disney. Did Disney play out? We'll check out Lucid in a second. But we want to go to Snap because Snap is the newest ticker I added. Like, guys, you know, I got wood, and I don't need a hooker or a stripper under the table for this. I just have absolute wood right now. Like, I'm giving my love rod stretch marks right now. That's how overinflated it is. So let's go ahead and look at Snap. Snap alerted. Let's check out Snap. See what she's doing here. 11:32 gets us in on this candle. That's great. That is great. Let's do this. Okay. Now, everything is looking like it has developed here on the 5. We want to go ahead and wow, look at this move here on the 15. It broke above its moving average. Let's go ahead and look at this here. RSI elevated over 50, moving average up. You could see the bears are losing a little bit control here on the 30. But as it stands right now, I'm probably just gonna wait for it a little bit. I probably need a candle or two more. Okay. Um, you've been in Snap since 10:05? Okay, so you were in Snap on this move here right when it was hanging out at the 200 EMA. Wow. Okay, so Snap, you got Snap early. BBBY falling, of course, what you'd expect, right? You got emotional damage going on over there. It got halted. People want their money. Ain't nobody give a fuck about each other, right? It's every man for himself. It'll always be every man for himself. So, it's great to have community, and I love community, but I love this community. Link down below. Check out the pinned comment. All right, moving along. Uh, Emily Rose, congratulations. Yes, congratulations to everybody. So Snap looking good. Snap? Oh man, Invictus. Invictus. Lord, I love you. And guys, I got my brother's here. He's actually hanging out over there in the theater. My brother's here. He's like, when Invictus? So he's moving a couple of tens of thousands just to play. He's like, hey, why not? We got to make some money, man. It's fucking exciting. I love it. All right, Lucid. Everyone wants Lucid. Lucid. All right. So, guys, you're looking at my chart. I do have some blue pill lines here for Lucid. Now, these will be a little outdated for what it is. No, I think that this line here is still valid. So, we're in a put signal here. Let's go ahead and take a quick glance here. Yes. 15 minutes says, fuck you. It's a put. 30 minutes says, fuck you. It's a put. So, I'm going to go ahead and say, I want to confirm this put trend with a rejection from the 200. I'm actually not going to play this to the upside. Why? Because we have a general rule that, if you get a call when price action is below the 200 EMA, that you're probably going to get smacked at the 200 EMA on the 5 minute, right? And then we have another rule. When price action is below the 200 EMA, you're biased to puts, right? So the RSI doesn't have me completely convinced. Now, is there money? Was there money to have been made, in this move here? Absolutely. But right now, I need to see the play develop, and I need to see price action above the 200. Otherwise, I'm not taking it. Another 14% on SPY cross. Woo! Gabe's gram of coke. There he goes, guys. Can we get thumbs up for my brother there, Gabe's gram of coke? Yeah, just show him some emotional support. He actually made the move down here to Florida, and his balls have never sweated so much. He's like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, yeah. Down here in Florida, your balls will dehydrate before your body does, and them raisins ain't pretty. Let's see. Nvidia looks great. Save some games for me. Oh, Andy. No, no games for you. No games for you, Andy. We should have pushed this. Oh my God. You guys are fucking killing it over there. Nvidia. Okay, let's look at the cross up with Nvidia, which had 5 previous plays alerted. So let's go ahead. Look at Nvidia here. Where was that previous alert? This is fucking filthy. The first alert was at 11:27. That gets us in at or about this candle. Nope, wrong ticker. Sorry, Nvidia here. 11:27. Oh my God, this is filthy. I want you guys to check this out. This is Nvidia. All right. So we got the alert here now. We have all systems go. Let me go ahead and remove this line here so you guys can see. So everything is making that move to the upside. You broke through the 200 EMA. You were alerted on this candle here at 11:25, right? Now, typically, if you're playing standard 1348, you would go ahead and say, there goes the 200 EMA. Let me go ahead and secure the bag and then re-enter, right? Here we go. We go to the 15. And the 15 RSI made that move up, right? Everything, oh, there you go. There you go. Shaft trend signaling buy. We go to the 30-minute and the 30-minute also. We have weakening here. We got some weakening here with the bears, and you have RSI breaking above its moving average. And so therefore you got that move to the upside. This is exciting. Can Nvidia hold that 200 moving average? If it can hold that 200 moving average here in a 5-minute, I do have the expectation that it can move to 189 all the way up to possibly 190, or at the very least just recapture some of the ground that it lost today, right? Because the market was pretty wonky. Now, what we want to do is confirm the overall trend here. So we are playing a call. And again, the overall trend is a call up until market wonkiness this morning. And then if we look at the 30-minute, we are in. We have not broken out of the call trend, which gives me confidence on the move in the 5-minute. All right, guys. So that is how I'm looking at Nvidia. And even at this point, if you got in on this candle, sweet baby Jesus, you printed, congratulations, you make your money. All right. UPST. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look at UPST. Another ticker we added. Hey, Algo. No one knows me as much as you do, baby. It's private. All right, UPST, Upstart. Let's get it. Let's get it in. Upstart on a moon mission. Congratulations. Great. Let's see. Upstart 1141 in 5. Let's go ahead, find 1141 here and get her marked. And that's going to be in between these candles. But either way, we could go ahead and mark her right there. And so now we want to evaluate what's happening on the broader trend. So we know that we're biased to puts because we are below the moving average. This is fun. The 15. RSI broke out. You have MACD trying to make that move into bullish territory here, right? So we're trying to make that move into green with the RSI breaking above. What are we seeing on the 30-minute? On the 30-minute, we're seeing that RSI is breaking above by virtue of price action respecting that 200 EMA, right? So this is exciting. Now we go to what the overall trend is here. On the 30-minute, it's a put. That is the last trend that was signaled here with Upstart. It's a put. What was the last trend here signaled? Also a put here with Upstart. But we saw a lot of consolidation off that 200 EMA. So it's essentially moving sideways. What I'm seeing here is quite possible. If you got in here, you do have this level to respect at 32.45. This could be a very quick scalp and or a move to the 200, which is 32.84. Not much of a significant move, but it's there nonetheless. All right. So we just want to see the 15 and the 30 mature a little bit, and then quite possibly we enter this play. All right. Let's see. Yes. So to answer that question, do we see more tickers than the Discord right now? Absolutely, we do, because that's why I hung out with Algo late last night. All right. Um, let's see. Just trying to keep up with the notes here. Uh, guys, my bad with the description. I know your link, STB. Why did I read this so late? Let me just go ahead and update this. Uh, guys, that is the link to join the Discord. I will go ahead and update it here in the live stream as well. Let me edit the description. And the link is now clickable. I will hit save. It should update in the description as well. So the link to the Discord now clickable. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Start making some money. The meta that Algo called out is printing, yes, because Algo's printing everything that's being called out in the test server. Oh man. Algo is definitely calling out everything that's printing in the test server, which is so wild. Like, we're having so much fun here. And let me go ahead and remove this pin, unpin message, and then add the new message here. We're going to pin the new message. This is a clickable link. STV for the fucking win. Now, all right. Who would like for STV to jump in on a live stream? All right, want to get STV in here? Because I think STV is we got to distract him a little bit. I'm thinking that STV has just been out there printing like a motherfucker. Let's go ahead and check out MU really quick. Okay, let's look at MU. Upstart, definitely going in the right direction, guys. Definitely liking this, right? Let's get him on. Absolutely, let's get him on. So STV. Let me send you a private message. I get you an invite here. No. Mr. Ankles, are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Ankles? I'm going to send you the link in a second here. Mr. Ankles, check your Twitter. All right. Let's go ahead and STV, are you on Twitter? Well, did you get the link? Snap printing? Snap printing? Oh my God. Look at her go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. SGV.
I did a little something. How you doing, man? I was trying to get a hold of you. I was like, you can't click the link. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Yeah, I just got caught up. I had a lot of fun with these alerts today. These alerts were or have been just fucking
I'm
killing it right now.
trying to yell it in the chat. I was like, Disney didn't make any fucking sense to begin with. Now it might. I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Oh, well, let's go ahead
Yeah.
and look at Disney.
It was yeah, I'm in on I have some of these DraftKings ones, which are nice. I took a little bit of profit off the table. I top ticked it at like 20% for the next week at the monies. Like that's fire. But Disney looks good now. If you look at the RSI on the 15 and the 30, when people were looking to get in on that first Invictus alert, it didn't make any sense.
It didn't. It didn't for 15 minutes.
That's what I was trying to say. I was like, guys, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Watch the curriculum video. Even on the 30. Now it makes sense.
Absolutely makes sense. So what this is teaching is, you AMC apes, you coined it. Patience.
Wait for it.
Wait.
I did the same thing on the Apple. I just waited for it.
It's fucking insane.
Yeah. This is dirty. The spy's going on a little mission here. Did QQQ break that 200? Oh. That's another Invictus, the QQQ. Oh,
yes. That was an update from yesterday. Remember I told you we were adding the QQQ?
Oh, I get both of them. See, this is where I get confused. I'll see both alerts come through, and I'll be like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah. So basically, we were setting up the betas to die. In case I was wrong, they were gonna die. But I'd rather have 4 or 5 people die than a whole fucking community die, right?
Yeah,
but,
we were going over it last night when you called me, and I was like, this is the way to go. Yesterday, I was like, nah, I like the RSI, I like the MACD. Then I looked at it when it confirms the trend. I was like, no, I like that a lot better. It's just patience. I've barely taken any trades today. I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to strike.
The QQQ is filthy right now.
That's nasty. I was looking at that more because I was already in the DraftKings and Apple. So I was kind of looking at that as a, okay, well, if we start to see QQQ break out of that 200 EMA right there, it could start to get going. Oh, here comes Apple again.
Dude, this algo is the fucking truth.
It's so dirty. Did you see fucking GME? Dude, I tweeted that. Those options on the predictive, I was trying to do the calculation. I saw 500%. I didn't want to say that though, because it's like a weird calculation in the actual fills. They're at minimum 250% on the Invictus alert. And it alerted like 25 minutes before.
Oh man. Let's look at Upstart.
Okay, let's do it.
Ta-da!
Dude, all right, people. You got, oh my God. This 15 and 30 minute, dude, it's too much. It's too much. This is so filthy. This is so disgusting.
It's disgusting. Guys, link down in the description. Also pinned to the comments. The links actually fucking work now.
Oh, you want to see my apples?
Ooh. No, I don't want to see your apple.
I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if it'll. There it is.
There you go. Quick scalp. Yes.
We're getting there. The DraftKings, I top ticked at 20. And then I made. They were like 14 right now.
Dude, how to make 71% on a firm.
Save some fucking money for the rest of us, okay? Dude, Invictus is the truth, dude. I love this thing. It is so filthy. And then reading the 15 and the 30 minute, you're just like, okay, well, it looks good. I'll just leave it. Even if you have more time, it's so, oh man, I love it.
It's so fucking delicious. It is so delicious, guys. All right, so we got Upstart breaking that 200 EMA. What's all that smoke? Emotional damage, 12% on a snap call. Guys, we're incorporating the 15 and 30 into algo now. Wait. Are you saying? Hold on. Are you saying that the algo in the 15 and 30 is now incorporated on the public? Is that what you're saying, algo?
Oh.
All right. Um, I don't know why I took my headset off. Like I'm talking to Algo, like he's like right there. But it was just like, just get me all pumped and excited. Anyways,
I took some Apple profit there. Let him ride. Let's see.
all right. Daily Taylor said he has only lost one Invictus trade, paper trading with Invictus.
Dude, I'm telling you, watch that 15, 30-minute RSI MACD chef trend. Watch a couple of those. Oh my God, dude. It is just
Dude,
pound
that
pound.
yes. Look at Snap.
You see this? You see this?
Let's maximize you. Let's maximize you.
Let's see.
21%! Emotional damage.
Oh, my apples are about to do that too. Now those are up. Those that I just showed you guys that were up like 8 are now up 12.
Yeah.
Thank you, Invictus. Again, guys, that's all about the small base hits. Just stack your gains, compound them.
Yeah, so Disney got people, but Disney was more of like it needed some time to mature.
You had to wait on it.
Yeah, it's patience, right? But still Disney played.
Oh, did Nvidia do it too? I heard you talking about that in the background. Oh, that fucker.
Nvidia here, man. Guys, I honest to God feel like this is the best trading day we've ever had in this community.
They are slaughtering it. I want to take a look at the gains channel really quick.
AMD did it.
Oh, fucking Jesus. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. Gabe, where's your link? Tell these people where they can come join us. This
All
is
right,
fucking
guys, the
crazy.
link down in the description. I know I'm pointing down to my groin here, but it's actually in the description. It's also there pinned to the top of the comments. You guys are seeing firsthand. You are taking a drive with us to Print City. Next exit, more money. Now, we're looking at Nvidia. Let's go ahead and check out Nvidia here. We got the alert here. And Nvidia is just making its move.
DM Ohio hit a big one.
Yeah, but we got Carl J. Took another piece off Apple at 51%.
You're trading weeklies, bro. Relax with that. I know you're trading weeklies because I'm only up 10. So you can't fool me.
Wow. This is wild, guys. I'm really happy for you guys. Listen, guys, I want you all to go ahead, jump on Twitter, jump on all the social media platforms, and let them know. You have never seen, I promise you have never seen a community or a Discord group print the way we print. Period.
It's crazy.
Period. Right? So stock Twitch is over there like fucking twirling their thumbs. And we're out here like running around like we own the floor.
We do. We own the market now. It's ours. Thank you. We'll take it.
Ooh, young pumper. Been here since July. Started trading in August, and I'm up 22.5% on the port. I'm trading with, still learning a lot and getting more confident into trades every day. That's why we exist. Ooh, but we do own the floor.
This is filthy.
Oh my God. I know my brother's sitting over there like, damn, I wish my money settled.
Is he there? Is he here with you?
So he moved the money, but to play options, you got to wait that extra day for it to settle.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have his options buying power.
Oh,
Yeah.
I hate that. That always gets me. Oh, DraftKings new highs. Oh, 22%. Fuck you, market. It's mine now.
All right. I need a timestamp on MU, your earliest timestamp. Someone help me out because we're about to look at MU. So MU looking mighty healthy right now.
Ooh, that 48. That could be spicy if it breaks that.
Yes. I think MU is finally waking up and saying, "Hey, market, what about me?
Gabe, do we have Wayfair?
Do we have Wayfair?"
Check the chart of W.
Ooh,
I didn't see it come through, but we might have it.
ooh.
Invictus.
That's mean. That's meanie. That is meanie. UPST is still going. AMD, I just got in. Whoa. Hold on. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at AMD really quick. If you just got in, you have that blue pill line here. Okay. Let's just consider this here at this level. But all things look pretty healthy. You do have the 200 EMA, which I expect to get rejected from the 200 EMA. But if we look at the 15 to 15, really strong here on the 15. Nice. We look at the 30, again, fairly strong here. So I would go ahead, wait for that break. 200 EMA, be patient, probably go there and just take that back there. What time frame do I get my levels? 5 minutes. I used a 5-minute time frame to get the levels. For those who don't know, right, in our Discord, our charts auto print the levels for you.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not stressing like, oh, where are my levels? So essentially what I'm doing with the blue line is I'm extending levels that I found in pre-market. And you will find that for most of the time, you will find that price action likes to respect these levels. All right. Nvidia printed, DKNG still going. UPST
23.5.
printing, AMD looking good now.
I'm on the next week's on DraftKings too. The next week at the monies, I'm up 23.4%.
Ooh, 1127 on MU, by the way.
On the alert?
Yeah. What? 1127? What?
That's disgusting. Oh my God. 63.87 to 64. Oh, that's a decent move.
It's still sexy as fuck.
Yeah.
Guys, this is what we're looking at. I'm like, holy shit. Not that I'm surprised because, like, we did think this through and we knew this was expected coming out this morning, but it's just really fun seeing it actually happen and play out. Like, this is really cool. MU, way to go. We're at the 200 EMA. So at this point, you have that option to secure that bag and or risk it for the breakthrough. But I like to play conservatively, so I'm going to secure that bag. All right. Can we get thumbs up for Prince City today?
Dude, it's
Can we
dirty.
get thumbs up? Yeah.
It is filthy today. Let's see. Yeah, everybody, make sure you like the video too. This is public live day. We're spreading the word about how just filthy this is. It's so nasty.
It's disgusting. I want to look at SPY here. What? Okay, SPY 430. Did we talk about this? Yes, I think we talked about this. Huh?
We did.
Okay.
Yeah, here's what we're going to do.
Oh, we're on the daily here with the SPY, and we're going most recent levels. Wow. Hold on. Wow. Okay. We have not been above the 200 EMA since April, or yeah, on the daily here. I was sad to say it, man, but this might be the pump before the almighty dump.
It could be. There it is. Cool. I was just locking in more gains here. Just in case. Free! They're all free.
Don Pete caught that SPY move. All right. Dope. Let's see. I'm a premium member. Where in the Discord do I go to the premium learning? It's there.
Yeah, it's in there.
High boys, fear bars, and more prior alerts make for a stronger buy. Fewer bars is what we're going for. Right. You don't want to do 10 bars. I mean, something like 6 bars out, you're looking pretty healthy right there.
I like 6. 6 is probably the max that I'll actually take a play on. If I see it at, have we changed it yet to 7, or is it still are we still doing 9?
Well, I mean, someone fill me in via text message here, please. I'm hoping that the public Discord they're getting 7. I hope they're getting 7.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that will be exclusive to the beta.
There's a question in here, Gabe. Do you give trading alerts in the Discord? Can we pull up GameStop?
Okay, we are at
That
7
one?
now. On wait,
Oh,
wait. Hold on. Before we do that,
yeah, yeah.
so we're at 7 now. Yes, so we're 7 public, 7 in the beta. Legendary. Does public have the new tickers? Yes or no? Just really quick. All right, 34% on Snap.
Jesus.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at AA here. AA not really doing much of anything. Where was AA alerted? Okay, so Dash alerted. All right, cool. I'm seeing AA alert. Oh, wait, hold on. AA down 3.13 bars. We just got that alert at 12:07. We had previous alerts to that. We had 3 previous alerts on AA. Let's go ahead and look at where that happened. Oh my God. Like, this is a drug for me today. I don't know. I don't think I've ever been this excited.
It's ridiculous.
12:02. So we go to this candle here, and that's our AA alert here on the 5-minute. Okay, so now we go ahead and we look at the 15. And the 15, oh, there you go. 15, it's looking good.
Oh, it does look good.
Right, now we go to the 30. 30 just crossed below its moving average.
So that would be since it's getting a put signal and it's in a call cycle on the 15 and the 30, I would look at that as more of a quick scalp.
Yes, there you go. There you go. Absolutely. So this could be a quick scalp. Let's find a level for that scalp. Coincidentally, the level here would be 52.20. That's a 70-cent move from where it's currently at. Yeah, fairly doable. I see why not.
What's the GME alert? I mean, Invictus alerted GME at what time? 11:15, I think it was. You can see, like, fuck it. What do you want? Like, come on. That's the one. That's your candle right there, I think. Those are the 2 alerts.
Right, I got one of them right here.
Yeah.
I got one of them right here. And then just Jimmy went moonbound.
He was right. He was trying to run away from Invictus, and Invictus was like, "No, boom, dude." Those options went up over 250%. Some of them 500% if you were fucking around with weeklies. But that's what happened on that move with Invictus. Boom.
Yeah. Oh man. There were 9 alerts. Okay, you won't get so many alerts when we give you the updated version of Invictus, right? Okay, so GME coming down. So let's go ahead and look at AA one more time. See what's happening. So AA, as it stands right now, I think even though you got this alert, I want to give it another candle on the 5-minute just to get a little more data pouring into the 15 and the 30. All right, because what can have happen, guys, is that price action breaks above the 48, and then we have a continuation of this trend here, which is a call. All right, so again, you got to make those observations and be patient. Okay. Snapping. Nvidia call still good. Let's look at Nvidia. Looking at Nvidia right here. Well, here it goes. We're here on Nvidia here. You know, you got in on this candle, or you you were given a heads up on this candle up until this call here. The thing is that 1348 rules where that 200 EMA, you always got to respect it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got to respect 200 EMA more than you respect your parents. Trust me. Okay. Wow. So this is where I would go ahead and secure the bag, honestly.
It's right at my level too that I have. It's right at 189. That's where I have a pretty key level of resistance there on Nvidia. So unless it really starts to get momentum above there, I would say it could fizzle. SPY, if it doesn't make a new high on this little, that might
SPY
be a
will
3-minute.
fizzle.
Yeah, it's sort of rimming on the 3-minute here. If it doesn't make a new high, I think it could easily come back down.
Yeah, well, we would expect it to come right back down, and that's fine. That is absolutely fine. I mean, it's already a little, well, it is overextended on the RSI here. It's pretty hot on the 5-minute with the RSI. So you would have the expectation that it's going to come down. When these things start coming down, you know what it means, right? Prince City with puts.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, I love it when market goes up, it must come down. Retail, you see it here first, right? You don't have to play the market one dimensionally. You can play both ways and make money both ways, right? That's it. Let's go ahead and check out Ford.
I'm out of all my stuff now. No more DraftKings, no more Apple, no more nothing. Bye-bye. Where's
Look at Ford.
Ford? Oh, look at that. Invictus. Invictus, dude, it's so fucking dirty. You have to understand how to read it. Like you have to understand like this is what's the specific things we're looking for on Invictus. I would guess that the 15 and 30-minute on that looks phenomenal.
Let's go ahead and look at the 15 and the 30. Look at that.
Fucking perfect.
Right, you got the 30. Look at that. STV.
Yeah.
Wait till we let the bots just auto trade for us.
Pythagoras, yeah. We might, yeah. We have something up our sleeve that I think I can get done soon that we can basically show everybody and say go fuck yourself.
Nope, we're telling everybody go fuck themselves right now.
That's true. This is pretty dirty of a day.
It's a very dirty day. Guys, link down in the description. Go ahead and check out the link also in the pinned comments there. Like, my God, is STV streaming? He must be having like a day and a
TMI?
half over there.
Oh, I bet he is. Dude, I know that kid was on Tesla. You remember Tesla from this morning?
Oh, Tesla. Let's look at Tesla.
It was firing off this morning.
Tesla was firing off this morning. Tesla was firing off the put and then made that move back up. Broke through the 200 EMA, but doesn't really have that much steam, which is really interesting, right? Because the market's just lost its fucking mind and then Tesla's still struggling. But you got the alert here. Tesla gave you the call. Invictus gave you what you paid for. STV. Take a look. Invictus alerted you here.
What is the 15?
1120. 1120.
Oh no, that's a good one.
Yes. Now we go to the 15. See what the 15 is doing. You see on the 15, bearish momentum is thinning out heavily. RSI broke above its moving average. Now let's go to the 30 here. And you can see RSI is elevated here. I am not quite convinced on this MACD here. I want to go ahead and give Tesla a little bit more time before I commit myself to this play. But guys, there's money there. Even if Tesla doesn't run much beyond this call, if you got in somewhere on this candle just above that 200 EMA and you rode with Invictus, you made money. Oh, man. Fun times here.
Mm-hmm.
Fun times. Guys, make sure you check out the link down in the description. Listen, I don't know. People, uh, I don't understand the hate that we get from people, and I really don't understand why people doubt us. But we came out with some big dick energy today, and for all the haters out there, the famous line coming from the OG himself, CEO Adam, choke on that.
Oh, I've got. I don't know if I have enough room to do it here. Let's see. Oh, I can do it right here. Look, I have something for you guys. Look, ready? I have it. It's right here. It's right here. Let me grab it. Fuck you.
Oh my God. Let's go ahead. It works. Carl J says it hurts. Check out MU. Let's go ahead and check out MU.
Yeah, they're looking good.
Like, dude. MU.
Oh my dude. How? Oh my God. How is this legal? Algo, you're gonna get fucking murdered.
Dude, they're gonna send the SEC after me now.
They're gonna be like, dude, you just cracked the code. We knew Jim Simons did it. You weren't supposed to do it. Coin is a filthy one too. Fuck, I didn't see that one. That's nasty.
Oh man. Guys, again, I don't know how much I gotta show you. I don't know. Do you need me to really whip out my dick?
Please don't.
Yeah. Yeah. Your monitors aren't big enough for it.
Dude, they're having too much fun today. This is crazy.
Got him. All right.
I wonder how Pythagoras is doing right now. I want to check in on this fucker. Algo, can we get an update?
Coin
is filthy, dude.
Man.
I mean, it's right. 90 is a key level on that thing. I probably wouldn't touch it here. If I was playing it, I would have played it up to the 200, which is also at 90.
Oof. Dude, I'm ready to sign out, man. 12:30 is here.
Dude, guys, I mean, we want you guys printed. This is crazy, dude. This is ridiculous. Oh, man. This is just... Again, even in the morning, too, I feel like we were just kind of sitting around, especially on the stream, my stream, when you came on. I was like, I'm just going to sit around and wait for something dirty to happen. And then, boom. It's patience, guys. You got to wait for your high-quality setups and then strike.
Pythagoras is up 40%, almost 40%.
No way, bro. I love him. I can't, dude. That one thing that I've been telling you about, I want to do that so bad.
Oh, but we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're definitely going to do it. Mike D, I'm up 64% on WBA Pythagoras play from the other day. Algo, can we get another Pythagoras play?
Tomorrow.
NDA Mackin. Oh, there you go. Come on. Hey, get riddance. Get the fuck out of here.
Ooh, TMI wants the link.
TMI wants the link?
Yeah, I think he's coming off early to hop on with us for a bit.
Oh, I'm so fucking tired, but I'm staying for this. Let's do it.
We got 10 minutes.
Let's do it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right. Let me get this on over to him. TMI is like, I want some fun too. Oh man, I don't think anyone's ever witnessed anything like this coming from a community ever.
Oh, this is dirty.
It's just, we love you guys, we really do. TMI is like, when link.
Let me live.
All right. 1348 gang for the win. We've just assembled Voltron, bitches. Let's go. All right. Coin is now in a call. For those who are wondering.
I don't really want to touch that here. Look at the move it's made. It's made a $6 move from the low. If you played it on Invictus, this is again kind of where the point where personally I would look at this and be like, it might be time to. It's just at the 200. That's the thing. 90 is a key level on that thing. It's the 90 is the make or break level on it. If it closes hard above 90, gets momentum, it shoots. If it comes back down below, it could come crashing down. So it's a little risky for me at this point. But if you got the Invictus on it, you killed it.
Exactly. You killed it. You killed it. When TMI, where you at, brother?
Dude, how hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Invictus was getting people in 13 5-minute candles before the cross. Well, no, it probably wouldn't have alerted there. In terms of dollar amounts, if it was fizzling here, you were able to front run it by like $2.20.
That's not bad.
No.
That's not bad. When TMI, come on, bro, let's get in.
Let's see. Whiskey bottle coming out early today. I feel like Gabe needs a nap. I NyQuil'd myself to sleep last night. So like when you called me, I was fully NyQuil'd up and I was like, oh, here we go. Dude.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I'm here to celebrate.
This is great. Algo and Andy, shout out to you guys. This thing is filthy.
Yes. Yes. Thank you for listening. Oh, man. Now, all right, TMI, come on. Where you at? Where you at?
8% in the portfolio. Thank you, 13.
Okay. It's happening. It's happening.
He's coming. Hold on.
When you say it like that, he's coming. I don't want to say yes because that sounds like so fucking awkward.
He's coming.
Yo, he's coming up.
Dude.
What's popping, boys? What's popping?
Oh my God. This thing is so fucking dirty.
Sleek.
You see GME on this thing?
I tweeted that shit out. I was like, it's interesting. Now we have an algo bot for retail predicting things before they happen.
Bing, 250%. That's what those were, at least.
14% of the stock that's a percent of the stock per minute in that move. A percent of the stock every single minute in that move.
Whew.
That's your week.
Wild.
In 50 minutes, that's your week. Done.
Your week's done. Your week is done. Guys, we got the link down in the description, also pinned in the comment section. TMI, were you getting the kind of energy on your stream that we were getting here? Because it was wild in here, man.
I can't hear you.
Huh? Wait, me?
I can't hear either of you. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. That's I think that's on you. That's a you thing. Yeah,
can they hear you?
No, that's a you thing.
Yeah.
I can hear him.
Okay, Gabe, listen. Right now, let's just not make any noise so you can't hear us, even when it gets sound back.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay, when he comes back, let's not make any noise. Like, we'll talk, but let's not make any noise. He'll be like, what the fuck is going on? You guys can hear us all, right? TMI is coming.
I can hear you guys now. I don't know what that was. Restream sucks.
But did you see the stock price?
I hear you whispering. Don't you?
Oh man, it's good.
Oh man.
No, that thing when that thing shut up, it happened so I didn't catch the move when it happened. It happened so fast. I was just like, oh, Jimmy popped up. I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, I'll pull that up in a second. And I was like, 14%. And I saw the messages. When did we get the alert? Boom, 11:13. I scrolled back. I was like, 11:13. God damn.
Yeah, I couldn't whisper right. I fucked up on that one. That was on me.
As he's like, I could hear you guys whispering.
Yeah. Well, coin is still running. Like, guys, today has been wild.
Yeah. I want that one's iffy in my mind. Coin's iffy. It's already done. I think it's already done what it can do. It can always go, but I think it's going to be volatile. Like that's a $6 move that it just made. That's huge.
Yeah. I mean,
another thing that's funny too. It's like simply following the rules today, right? The rim job play of the day. For those of you guys who don't know what that is, that's cool. You guys got to catch up. Bed Bath & Beyond. Open on the 15-minute. Classic crossover in the 5-minute right at open. Ran up over 70% today. Did not cross back below the 13 EMA until after 12 o'clock. I mean, people, tap in. This is right in front of you guys. Tap in.
Coin. I've been hunting coin a little bit. It just bounced off the 1 hour 200, which is done like 4 times.
Oh shit!
It'll just bounce off of it hard.
Let's try to go for a little run, huh?
Yeah, 91 now. The IV's fucked up on it. Like I played some next week puts on it this morning. The at the monies were like $700 each.
Yep, that makes sense. What's the implied volatility? Was it like bloated?
120 at the monies.
Okay. Not quite meme stock crazy. Like the Bed Bath & Beyond right now, those options are kind of like just scalp them if you're gonna play them because the implied volatility is like 400%. It's just like you can basically trade the stock if you want to instead. Like it's like one of those. Even SPY today crossing the 5-minute. Like there is just so much out there today.
Oh,
What'd you guys play?
DraftKings, Apple were 2 big winners.
Bow. I didn't see DraftKings at all. DKNG. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was like 24% on the next week's.
On next week's?
Yeah.
Time pays, people. Time pays. T-My, what do you mean tap in? Is this still running according to Pythagoras? Is 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 still running? Or is? Scar my world. Do you mean IS the stock?
Pythagoras is tomorrow. We got Invictus now. The curriculum video's there. You guys have all the tools you need to just keep doing this. This is crazy.
Yeah. I have not played Tesla this week, guys.
I could have swore. I told Gabe, I was like, that Invictus cross down in the morning on Tesla, he's got to have it.
All right, who are you?
I have not played Tesla. I know. It's odd. It's a little shift going on here. So this is what I'm thinking right now with Tesla, right? Tesla has been a very wonderful woman. Has treated me very nicely. I just think that Tesla and I need some space. We just need a little bit of space. We just gotta, separate ourselves a little bit, relax a little bit, and then when the time comes and Tesla wants to come back down to 864, I'll be ready.
Don't let me find out that some girl is on a break with someone.
Oh, I know. Just like take Tesla and just walk away with it right in front of me.
I'll come take Tesla.
Is Tesla home? Can Tesla come out and play, please?
Well, it's a good thing you walk away from her before she takes the house. Yeah. So, Algo's talking about UAA. What are we missing here?
That's a Pythagoras.
On the daily.
Yeah, like Tesla. If you look at Tesla right now, too, it got that call at 12:10, and then it got a put at 12:30. I'm like, Tesla, you trying to play with some people right now? I know you.
So Pythagoras predicted this.
Yeah.
So TMI, that's why you're not playing Tesla. You're busy hanging out with Pythagoras and UAA here.
Oh yeah, I've been hanging out with a lot of these other ladies over here.
Pythagoras
I've been hanging out with Pythagoras. I've been hanging out with Invictus. Don't tell Tesla any of this stuff, guys. It's just between us. All right, just keep this, on lock and key. But it's been fun. Wow. It's been profitable. I think that it helps people get in before those huge volatility moves too. Like when the implied volatility blows up option contracts, the profit margin isn't as high, right? But when you can get in a little bit beforehand, dangerous. Look out for that P&L post in the Discord later on today, guys, for the gains channel. If I don't fuck it up in the afternoon, which I'm gonna try not to, I'm gonna try to keep it.
Are you coming, TMI? Are you coming back on for the public live in the afternoon?
Yeah, I'll be back.
I'll be around.
All right, hop on in.
All right, guys, I am going to be wrapping this up. It is 12:30 for me. I need my old man nap. I've been up stupid early this morning. You guys saw my text at 5 in the morning. Like, what's up, Jumps?
I saw that. I woke up and I was like, oh, fuck. What? I was like, did we just talk about getting more sleep?
Yeah, last night off the stream. Oh my god, we were zombied, right? Guys, we were so fucking zombied. We were all on the same wavelength. We were like, we're done. We're fucking dead.
The last 30 seconds of the conversation was just like, huh? Yeah? What? Okay. Yeah. Deuces? Okay, yeah. Take care. That was it.
Yeah, that's wild. I have to find Diana's comment here. So Diana made 43% on UAA off of Pythagoras.
I mean, these are just filthy, dude.
BBIG opened up and halted up 41%.
Yeah. I want to buy puts.
Me too.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't. It's a fucking penny stock, but
Yeah,
I don't know what the news is either.
Oh man. Wow. Good stuff, guys. All right, I'm gonna be wrapping things up. I gotta go ahead and get on the horn with Algo and Andy. But it was fun today. And make sure you tune into this guy, TMI, the man with a plan here. He's gonna break it down. He's gonna break it down for you.
Oh,
You know what I'm hoping? I'm hoping for that market correction when you're live, so you could just guide them all through the puts.
It's raining puts.
Let there be blood
in the streets. It's that time of the month, guys. It's a bit too weird for those jokes. Let's just wait. What time is it?
No. The market's gonna be like, sweetheart, can you get me the tampons? You're like, no, Betty, I like the smell.
Oh, we got some dirty people in here. Dude, remember how we were talking about last night, how we should bring back the fucking spicy live streams? I think we've done it. Oh my god.
Too early.
Oh man.
Well, guys, it was fun. Gabe, the link's in the description in the top of the live chat. Come hang out with us. You guys saw how fucking filthy it was. I mean, this is nasty. Oh, damn.
Oh man.
Jesus.
Well, hey,
doesn't stop anything but a sentence.
That's all.
I'm tired, man. I need some rest. Yeah, I ended up saying some unaccountable shit.
By the reaction, I can tell we got some vampires in the chat, but we have to get into that right now. That's okay.
Oh man, yeah, right.
That's cool. Yeah,
oh my god,
people enjoying that joke a little bit too much. Like, okay, hold on a second.
Oof.
Oh man,
that's good.
All right, guys.
All right.
Peace out.